Good morning, students. In the previous session, we discussed consistent or inconsistent pair of equations. For inconsistent pair of equations, you will not get any solution. Whereas, for consistent pair of equations, you will get one solution or many solution. That is, for intersecting lines, you will get one solution. We call it as consistent pair of equation. And for coincident lines, you will get many solution. That is called dependent pair of equation. Let us take one example for this graphical method. Now, graphically solve the following pair of equations. 2x plus y equals to 6 and 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Now, find the ratio of the areas of the two triangles formed on the line x-axis and y-axis. Not only you have to plot the graph, after plotting you have to find the ratio of the areas of the two triangles on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. So, before plotting graph, we need to find the coordinates. Now, 2x plus y equals to 6, so y equals to 6 minus 2x. Now, take x as 0, then you get 2 into 0 is 0, so y equals to 6. One more value, x equals to 3, then y equals to 6 minus 2 into 3, which is 6 minus 6, which is 0. So, you will get the two coordinates. In that two coordinates, x is 0, then y is 6, and in the other coordinates, x is 3, y is 0. Now, find the coordinates for this second equation. In the second equation, y equals to 2x plus 2. Now, put x as 0, then y equals to 2, and when x is minus 1, y equals to 0. Now, when x is 0, y is 2. So, in this first coordinates, x is 0. And in the second coordinate, y is 0. When x is minus 1, y is 0. Now, we draw x and y axis, two reference x and y axis, and divide the axis into equal units. So, on the x axis, now whenever locating these units, you have to go through the values. Now, see here, x is 3 and here y is 6. So, on the y axis, the highest value is 6. So, divide y axis into 6 equal 6 units. Okay, then x axis into 3 equal units. Similarly, here x is minus 1. It means that here you have to make equal units, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and y axis 2. Okay, now when x is 0, y is 6, and when x is 3, y is 0. So, join these 2 points, you will get a straight line. So, this straight line represents 2x plus y equals to 6. Now, another one, see here, when x is 0, y is 2. When x is 0, y is 2. And when x is minus 1, y is 0. So, join these 2 points. So, this line represents 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Now, both the points intersect at point A. So, both the lines intersect at the point A. So, this is the intersecting point. So, this will be the solution of the equation. So, this is the solution of the equation. Now, these intersecting lines are, for intersecting lines you will get only one solution. We call it as consistent pair of equations. Yes. Okay. Now we have to find area of the triangle on the x-axis. The triangle on the x-axis is ABC. So triangle on the x-axis is ABC and the triangle on the y-axis formed by these two lines is ADE. The triangle on the y-axis formed by these two lines is ADE and triangle formed on the x-axis by these two lines is ABC. Now find the area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height, where base is 4 units and height is also 4 units. So half into 4 which is 8 square units. Similarly for triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is half into base into height. So here base is this one DE. Base is DE. How many units? 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. So DE is 4 units and height is 1 unit. That is this one. So this is the height which is 1 unit. So that area is 2 square units. Area of the triangle ADE is 2 square units. Now find the ratio of their areas. To find the ratio of the areas, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE, that is 8 by 2 which is 4 by 1. So that ratio of the areas of the triangle on the x-axis and to the y-axis is 4:1. Okay. Here now you got to know that this type of graphs intersecting lines gives only one solution. We call it as consistent pair of equation. Now we'll compare the ratios. See here, if you compare the ratios, here A1 is 2 and here also A2 is 2. What is the ratio? 1 by 1. Now see here B1 by B2. What is B1 here? 1, B2 is minus 1. So are they equal? 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1? No, it is not equal. So that you will get one solution. So you will get intersecting lines and only one solution. So these pair of equations are called as consistent pair of equations. Thank you, students.